vehicle?
All right, I'm stopping up here.
Okay.
Looks like I'm falling off the edge.
Don't do that.
I can't tell or if there are turnouts enough.
I can't tell either. I thought in the absence I'd just wait.
Yeah, the problem is we wait for him, there's another one behind him.
Through that.
If anything, you and him can fit almost anywhere. Even if it's a little pull out. So we can wait for him and then maybe either ask him if there's little pullouts that we can get to, or if you go ahead and just tell me when you find one, and then I'll just work from pullout to pullout.
Is he close?
Nice tight squeeze.
Yeah, a little nerve-wracking.
Can you go forward now?
Yep.
That might be the better thing.
Don't scrape over clock.
And stop.
All right, we're clear.
How close was that?
Thanks, guys. Whew. That's the widest spot I could find.